Hello students, under online lecture series 3, today we will discuss some aspects of legal mechanisms for semester 1, unit 4, part B, paper code 101. First of all, we will understand what is a citation. According to Black's Law Dictionary, a citation refers to a reference to a legal precedent or authority such as a case, statute, or treaty that either substantiates or contradicts a given position, and it is often shortened to cite. A citation is a notation of a reported case. In support of arguments, lawyers refer to decided cases that have a binding or, in some cases, a persuasive value on the court hearing the case. A reference to such a case or an authority is known as citing a case. For example, MC Mehta versus Union of India, AIR 1987 SC, page number 965. The format in which a case is cited. The names of the litigating parties comes first. The abbreviated name of the law reporter in which the case has been cited, the year of its publication, the court that decided the case, the volume number of the law report, if any, and the page number on which the case is reported. Let us have a look at the example of a case decided by Supreme Court. The citation appears as Hindustan Times versus State of Uttar Pradesh, AIR 2003 SC for Supreme Court, page number 250. In this case, Hindustan Times is the petitioner or the appellate, in case this is an appeal from a high court, and the state of Uttar Pradesh is the respondent. The case has been reported in the year 2003 issue of All India Reporter at page number 250. The citation also indicates that the case has been decided by the Supreme Court of India. Another relevant topic under legal mechanisms is law reports. What are law reports? Law laid down by higher courts is binding on the lower courts under Article 141 of the Indian Constitution. Law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all the courts in India. The lower courts are informed about the judgments of the higher courts through law reports. A law report is therefore a compilation of judgments of the higher courts published at regular intervals. Importance of law reports. The decisions that involve an important interpretation of the law or lay down an important or new principle of law finds a place in the law report. Official law reports are the official publications of the government. Private law reports are unofficial publications. AIR is a private law report and is the publication of AIR Private Limited, Nagpur. All India Reporter. The mode of citation for All India Reporter is name, year, quote, and page. AIR is the most popular and most widely used law reporter in India. Founded in the year 1922. It is published monthly by AIR Private Limited from Nagpur. It is a comprehensive journal covering recent judgments from all branches of law, civil, criminal, etc. It is described as a treasure house of Indian case law. It reports latest cases decided by the Supreme Court as well as the High Court of India. It also covers all central and local acts. Various methods of searching relevant case laws. Three important approaches are there: statute approach, topic approach, and internet approach. In the next online lecture, I will elaborate on the three approaches relevant for searching case laws.